Okay. He's coming out, isn't he? Okay, no, he's not coming to us. Get by the side of it. You mount, or are you tuned out? Thanks, Dave. That's alright. Are you in it? You're scared of the man. You're gonna have to watch this after to see if it knows you're swearing. Yeah. How'd you get, I don't want it to record now. Right, press the record button. And I want it to spread between the trailer. Is the guy in the trailer? Stop filming. No, yeah, stop filming.